Hi guys, welcome to TechTips tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of e-commerce and social media marketing. I'll guide you through the simple yet powerful process of connecting your Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to reach a broader audience and boost your sales on these popular platforms. So let's get into it. To kick off with this tutorial, you'll need to open two tabs in your web browser. In the first tab, you will have your Shopify store open. And in the second tab, you'll have to navigate to your Meta Business Suite by typing in business.facebook.com in the search bar. This will direct you to the dashboard of your actual Meta account. If you are not logged in, you can easily do so with your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Once you are set up here, leave this tab open and let's head back to the Shopify store. So over here at the Shopify store, for the first step, click on apps on the left side part of your screen and it will direct you to the search bar, and you're gonna need to type in Meta and you will be directed to the Shopify App Store. Upon searching for Meta, you will find various applications, but what you need to click is on Facebook and Instagram over here. It should say free to install, additional charges may apply, along with ratings, reviews, and of course the developer, which should be Meta. Ensure that the developer is indeed Meta, otherwise the process won't work. And going back to our topic, click on Add Applications, and then afterwards, you will need to grant the access for this application to connect. So just click on Add Sales Channels because at the end of the day, this will function as a sales channel for your Shopify store. So now as you can see, we are now connected with Facebook and Instagram, and I'm gonna pin my actual application and then start selling on Facebook and Instagram. So what you're gonna do is click on Get Started so you can start setting up your Shopify store together with your Facebook and Instagram. So what I wanna do is I wanna connect my Facebook account to Shopify, and that's basically the reason why we have this Meta Business Suite on another tab here. So let's go back to the Shopify and just click on Connect Account, and this one should be popping out this new login section of Facebook. And here I'm just gonna click on Confirm. And now as you can see, I have a check mark over here that means that I have connected Shopify to my Facebook successfully. And moving on, in the business account section, select the business page you want to add to the channel. If you don't have a Facebook page, don't worry because you can go to the Meta Business Suite tab and click on your Facebook profile and find the option to create a business account. Once you find it, click on it, and this is where you can input the details on creating your business account. Now in creating a Meta Business account, you will need to type in the business name, enter your contact information such as your first name, last name, and business email. Once everything is set up, just click the Create button, and you will now have an actual business account in your Meta Business Suite. And once you have successfully done that, you can go to the All Tools and go directly to Manage, and you can click on Page Settings so you can create a new page. And then later on, once you have created a new page, you can go back into Shopify and it's gonna appear over here, or it should appear over here, and you can connect the page that you just created into your Shopify store. But for my case, since I already have a page, as you can see, I'm just gonna click on Connect with this one over here. Once your business is connected, it's gonna pop out a new section on how you can manage Facebook and Instagram data sharing preferences. Here you will have three options: Conservative, Enhanced, and Maximum. So in Maximum, you're gonna be sharing all your data on Facebook so that you can get maximum options to it. Then Enhanced, some people are being selected and some are not. And Conservative, just a few people's data will be selected. And here I strongly recommend to choose the Maximum if you want to get the maximum deal. And once you're done, just simply click on Save. Now we need to create a new meta pixel, and I strongly recommend focusing on one pixel at a time. So as you can see, I have a pixel already for my Facebook account. You can use your pixels that you have created before, but for this video, I'm going to create a new one. So to do that, just simply click on Create New, then click on Confirm. So why am I creating a new one? It's because I want this pixel to exclusively focus on Shopify only. So to do that, let's return to the Meta Business Suite, and over here in All Tools, go directly into the Advertise and click on Events Manager. And you're gonna be routed into a new tab over in your Events Manager. So over here, as you can see on the right side part of the screen, I have my store name. And then as you can see the name over here, this is the name of the pixel that I've created before. So to create a new pixel for my Shopify, we're gonna click on that. And then there's just one step to create a new pixel for your Shopify store. So just simply click on this icon to edit the name of this pixel. So let's delete this one and let's go for Shopify clients for the name. So in this way, I can easily track all the informations about the data of tests, diagnostics, analytics, everything that comes out directly from my Shopify. And once you're done, just click the save button. Then we're gonna go back to the Shopify store, and once again, on this page, we're at the last step, and of course, we need to agree to the terms and conditions here. So let's click the blacks over here, and then let's submit the setup for a review. And now we're left with the finalization of the channel. This might take up to a minute, so please don't refresh the page. Once this is done loading up, we can start shopping on Facebook whether you're approved right away or if your Facebook sales channels are under review. So as you can see on my screen, this account is already verified, so I can just start selling on Facebook and Instagram. So to do that, you can click on Shopify product catalog over here, and it's gonna direct you into the Business Meta Commerce Manager. And on my left side part of the screen, I have the store name and the specific product catalog that we're looking right now. So for this catalog, I don't have items yet, so if you check on my shop, you'll not be seeing items that are available for you to purchase in my shop. So to add an item, on the upper right corner of the screen, just click on Add Items. This is going to be sending us to the page over here, and this is where you can input the product informations, you can put the title of the product, description, you can also upload videos about the certain product, then you have the pricing over here, and after that we have the inventory, and you can also add customs information for the shipping option. And lastly, we have the variants, and over here you have the option for the size or color for the specific product that you are selling. Then once you're done, just click the save button and it will be added shortly into your items over in your catalog. Once it appears in your catalog, it will be posted immediately into your Shopify, Facebook, and Instagram shop. And you can add a lot of items over here in your catalog that will just depend on you, as long as you have the items on hand and you can supply the demand for that specific product. And with that, I just showed you the ways on how you can connect your Shopify store into your Facebook and Instagram shop. I believe this process is a little bit difficult. This might take you a few times to complete the process, but however, after watching this video, it will be easier for you to do the process if you just follow the steps that I showed you. And with that being said, we just covered the basics of how you can connect your Shopify store into your Facebook and Instagram shop. Once you are connected, you can still figure things out for yourself. And don't worry, because I will be uploading more contents about Shopify, so please don't forget to hit the notification bell for upcoming tips and tricks for your online ventures. With that being said, this brings us to the end of this video. If you have any issues or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. I thank you guys so much for watching. Your support means a lot. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial video. Bye bye!